Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 5th, and this is my analysis of the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar, nothing's definitely changed for me on these higher time frames. I'm definitely still looking at this as three waves of W, three waves of X. Definitely still looks to me like an A right here, and I still think this is actually going to be a B, and I still think this is going to make its way up for a wave C of wave Y, which most likely will have it taken up above these highs. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, very strong push down, which I was originally thinking was an expanding flat, but it's definitely expanded a little bit too much for an expanding flat. So I definitely still think this is an A. I definitely still think this is a B, and then I do believe this is a 1 of C. But instead of this being like a expanding flat, I would definitely say that this is the A, and then we had an expanding flat wave B, and then this right here is the wave C, so probably a 1, A, B, C of 2, and then I still think that it is going to make its way up for a wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame and zooming out a little bit is where you can actually see this a little bit more clearly. Definitely is 5 waves down over here for what I think is an A. Now this is a lower low and this is a higher high. That's why I'm calling this 1, 2, 3 up, 1, 2, 3 down. It's actually even more of a WXY, but 1, 2, 3 up. So WXY of wave B, and then this is still most likely a downtrend for a wave C. I think this is a 1. I think this is a big ABC of 2. We did have a 78% fit bounce. If it goes up, if it breaks structure, that should prove to me the wave 2 is over, that we are back into the uptrend, most likely for a wave 3. So keeping all that in mind, let's take it down to the 4-hour time frame. Now I am definitely still technically looking for shorts, at least until it actually does break structure. We don't really know that this is the wave C. We suspect it is, but that's just speculation. It could easily just keep on going down, which is why I continue to trade with the trend until proven otherwise. And what's going to prove it otherwise is it going up and taking out this high right here. Until it does that, I am definitely still looking for shorts on shorter time frames. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, like I was just explaining, I'm definitely looking for shorts. If you're a little bit of a short time frame trader, or you don't mind trying to, counter trend trade some of these moves, you possibly could look for a long. I would expect 3 waves up, even if it is a correction, which I do think it possibly could be. So if I do see 3 waves up, if I do see impulsive down, then I definitely will take it as a short again. On the other hand, if price does go up and take out this high right here, then I'm definitely going to stop looking for shorts, and I will definitely start looking for longs. But until that happens, I am 100% waiting patiently for more sorting opportunities at the end of 1, 2, 3 wave pullbacks for the continuation of this downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.